Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your Bluesky account private. Stick around till the end to learn how to control who sees your posts. So let's get started. First, open the Bluesky app on your mobile and make sure that you're logged into your account that you want to make private. Then, click on three horizontal lines in the top right corner and from the menu that appear, click on Settings. Now in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled as Privacy and Security, tap on it, and once you're in, locate an option called Logged Out Visibility. So toggle this feature on. Now what does this do? When this feature is enabled, your content become invisible to users who are not logged into a verified Bluesky account. This help protect your account from being viewed by external apps. While locked out visibility adds a layer of privacy, you can further secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication. By enabling locked out visibility does not make your account 100% private because verified Bluesky users who follow you can still see your content. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.